Hey guys, so I visited this spot called Rug and Roll in Richmond, Virginia, where they allow you to come in for a 3 hour session where they teach you how to use the rug tufting gun and let you make your own rug. So when you come in, all of your things are already set up. You send her a picture of basically what you want to make your rug out of, and then she already has everything set up, is drawn, and your colors are there waiting for you. So I started tufting, y'all. This was my first time ever doing this, and so she explained it very well. But I still had some issues. My yarn kept coming out of the little holes on the tufting gun. It kept sliding out because I didn't have it hanging upwards. I don't know if I can explain that very well, but that was falling out. I was still doing pretty good. Here's kind of the front piece. You can see I'm missing some spots, so I just go back and touch it up a little bit. But I started getting the hang of it, but I still had like a few little things that I didn't like because the nails along the edges of the rug tufting frame, I was getting eat up, y'all. It's funny, but it's not funny. But anyway, I made it through the war scars. But here I have like the top of it done. I'm gonna try to do like the gradient thing. I'll show you guys the picture of what I'm actually making. But I'm just using pink and purple together in one area to make the gradient look. And in just a little bit, I will give you more information about what Yenna is and why I decided to make all this and how you can go check out the website. Hi guys, I want to hop on real quick and let you know about a new website where you can make some extra money if you're a crafter, or you can get help with your craft orders with freelance crafters on yennacraft.com. So this is how it works. You sign up as a business if you have a business, and then you can post your orders on the website for a freelancer to complete for you and ship to your customer. As a freelancer, you can sign up, make those orders, ship them to those customers, and then you make money and you can cash out daily or weekly. Go check it out at www.yennacraft.com. It's also in Google Play Store or in Apple Store. Okay, so now I'm just working on the bottom half with only pink, and I'm almost done. 3 hours seemed like a long time, but that was not a very long time to make this rug. But I made it work, and I tried to fill in as many of the spots as possible. Like I said, don't judge me. This is my first time making this. So after we finished with the tufting, she gave us some plaster or something to rub on the back of the rug. And then we had a backing that we used some spray adhesive for, and we just sprayed it all over the backing and then put the rug onto that. And she said that it needed to dry for about a day or so before it will be stuck in place. But that was basically it. Definitely had fun. I would definitely go again. My husband actually bought me a tufting gun, and I will be using it. I just won't be using it with those nails sticking out on the side of the tufting frame. But thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.